If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe and bell button to receive notifications to our channel. All the information present here is also available on our website profitinequities.com, which intends to act as an aggregator for personal finance, banking, and stock related knowledge. The website also has various stocks studied technically, and that would allow you to get acquainted with basic technical analysis and how to go ahead and interpret shares. Now, there is also an option to go ahead and subscribe to the website, and the Facebook, Twitter handle, and YouTube channels are also linked to that website. None of the stocks mentioned herein should be considered as stock recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information presented herewith. Extremely media shy, Ashish Kacholia is one of the most successful stock investors in India. Here, we take a look at 5 small cap stocks from his portfolio. For the purpose of this video, we have classified small caps as stocks with a market capitalization between 100 crores and 2000 crores. The first company on our list is Ester Industries Ltd. Now, Ester Industries Ltd is engaged in the business of manufacturing polyester films, specialty polymers, and engineering plastic compounds. Now, if you were to look at the 1 month price return for the stock, it is at close to 10.58%, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock has depreciated by close to 23.55%. The 52-week high for the stock stands at 59.50, whereas the 52-week low is at 30. The company is not yet profitable, and hence the PE ratio and dividend yield are not applicable. The second company on our list is Majesco Ltd. Now, it is a provider of insurance software, consulting and services for business transformation for the insurance industry. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year price chart, you would see that the stock has been an underperformer and over the last 1 year has depreciated close to 15.22%. The 1 month return for the stock is at a positive 0.61%, whereas the 52-week high is at 493.58 and the 52-week low is at 302.43. The price earnings ratio is 64.81. Moving on to a third company, Pokarna Ltd. Now, Pokarna Ltd is engaged in the processing and sale of granite slabs and mining and sale of granite blocks. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year price return for the stock, it's close to 23.61%, whereas for the last 1 month, the stock has fallen by close to 21.72%. The 52-week high for the stock stands at 1618, whereas the 52-week low is at 735.80. The price earnings ratio for the stock is at 8.79 and the dividend yield is at 0.30%. Mold-Tek Packaging Ltd is the fourth company on our list and is basically a packaging company involved in the manufacture of plastic packaging containers. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year price return, you would see that the stock is appreciated close to 44.15%, whereas over the last 1 month, the stock has fallen a negative minus 1.14%. The 52-week high for the stock stands at 315, whereas the 52-week low is at 176.55. The price earnings ratio for the stock is at 32.70 and the dividend yield is at 1.26%. Now, this is a new entrant in his portfolio. Lokesh Machines Ltd is an India-based company which is engaged in automobile sector and in the manufacturing of auto components such as cylinder blocks, cylinder heads, and connecting rods. If you were to look at the 1 year price return for the stock, it's at a negative minus 8.05%, whereas for the last 1 month, the stock has fallen by 7.59%. The 52-week high for the stock is at 109.55, whereas the 52-week low is at 61.30. The price earnings ratio for the stock is at 59.43, but the stock does not yet currently pay any dividends. This concludes the list of 5 small cap stocks from Ashish Kacholia's portfolio. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with a new video.